Guys, so for all my Turo hosts out there, you guys probably got an email or seen a change on your app.
2020 vision, I want all the loot. I'm talking Beamer all clean, fit too mean, finger all shiny on my baby's diamond ring. I was on a high till I caught onto the scene. Swear I lost my heart when I fell in love with things. Rookie year went broke like Jalen Rose. Got the price, sold my soul to the things I own. Switched up, locked in, and got my mind right. Prioritizing, got my business and my time right.
What is up, Innovation family? How's everybody doing today? It's me, Brandon, owner of Innovation Property Atlanta, your friend, your neighbor, your host, back with another video. Just want to tap on you guys today to talk about some Turo updates. And provide you guys with any context, or if you guys have any questions, feel free as always leave them in the comments. But remember to like the video, guys, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button so you guys are tapped into the next videos that come out from me, from Innovation Property Atlanta. So let's jump into it, guys. So for all my Turo hosts out there, you guys probably got an email or seen a change on your app around you have to start doing yearly inspections on your vehicles. I guess a lot of clients and customers have been complaining about cars breaking down and not being roadworthy and having issues when it comes to the reservation. That is important when it comes to this Turo game. You gotta stay on top of your maintenance and service all the time when it comes to the Turo cars. So a lot of people, a lot of hosts, and people you see who are selling a product or selling something on Instagram who tell you to buy 10, 15, 20 cars, they don't tell you about all the service calls that goes into the oil changes, tires, engine work, accidents that happen, how to find body shops that are reliable, that's going to repair your stuff correctly, along with just the costs that go along with everything that comes with these Turo cars. Before you can even rent out a car, it has to be in pretty tip-top shape. That means you can't give a car with a check engine light on, no tire light on, no major defects. I mean, I understand, you might have a couple of scratches and dings in your car. You can live with those. But as far as the major things, you gotta take care of them and get that stuff fixed with your mechanic or your dealership you go through to service your car. So starting, my first one I think is due on December, end of December time frame for a couple of the Porsches. As far as the inspection. So if you guys don't have a trusty mechanic, again, I'm talking to my Turo hosts out there. If you don't have a trusty mechanic, now's the time you guys want to start forming that relationship with your mechanic, so you guys, they know what to expect when it comes to the Turo processes and you being the Turo host. So when you gotta drop your car off to get an inspection, it doesn't take 2-3 days a week. It really should only take a couple hours for them to look over the windshield wipers, the lights, the brake pads, the tire, as far as the tread and all that good stuff, and being able to look at the interior and make sure everything works correctly as far as electronics. You don't want to drop your car off to a mechanic and it be there for 3 or 4 days or something that's going to only take about 2 hours, 3 hours tops. So having a neighborhood mechanic or somebody you can trust and build that rapport with on a regular basis is important. So you got to find a trusted mechanic that's going to get you in and out when it comes to your Turo cars or your Turo fleet. It's going to be important, guys, with these inspections, so you guys don't have cars that are just sitting and not being rented out because they're just in the shop waiting to get inspected. So again, just a tip, just want to stop by and let you guys know you got to stay on top of your service no matter what. I have spent thousands of dollars getting cars repaired, from blown engines to transmissions to suspension work, you name it. Anything with a car that is a movable object, so it can go wrong or it can break. So you always gotta have that money put to the side. So, I mean, you're talking about $5,000, $10,000 easy for a new engine. You're talking about water pumps that go out when it comes to cooling issues and radiators, and you're talking about brake pads that go out all the time. So you always gotta stay on top of your maintenance on a monthly, quarterly time basis to make sure your cars and your fleet is running correctly. So hope you guys enjoyed Turo updates and Turo tips. You guys have a good day. Do appreciate it, and for the people that haven't gotten it or on the fence of buying it, now it's time to buy it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and do a half off promotion for the rest of the month, give you 50% off the course for those who are kind of on the fence or didn't have the money available to buy it. Now hopefully it's going to be a lot cheaper.